Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Today we are going to show you different ideas of brick fire pit, its uses, benefits and latest trends. Imagine sitting in your backyard on a cool evening, gathered around a beautifully designed brick fire pit, enjoying warmth, conversation and the soothing crackle of fire. A brick fire pit not only enhances your outdoor spaces but also adds charm, functionality and value to your home. In this video, we will explore some of the most creative brick fire pit ideas, their uses, benefits and how you can choose the perfect design, color and theme according to the latest trends. Whether you are planning to build a DIY fire pit or hire a professional, this guide will help you make the best decision. Why choose a brick fire pit? Bricks are one of the most durable and fire-resistant materials, making them perfect for fire pits. Here's why they are an excellent choice. Heat resistant. Unlike metal, bricks don't overheat quickly, making them safer to use. Aesthetic. Bricks offer a classic and timeless look that complements any outdoor setting. Durability. They withstand extreme temperatures and last for years with minimal maintenance. Customizable. Available in various shapes, sizes and colors to match your outdoor decor. Creative brick fire pit ideas. Now let's dive into some of the most stylish and functional brick fire pit designs that are trending in 2025. Classic round fire pit. A traditional round brick fire pit is a popular choice for cozy gatherings. It is simple to build and offers an inviting atmosphere. Use red or rustic brown bricks for a warm and earthy vibe. Number 2. Square or rectangular fire pit. For a modern and sleek look, go for a square or rectangular brick fire pit. These designs fits well in contemporary outdoor spaces and pairs beautifully with neutral colored bricks like charcoal gray, off-white or beige. Number 3. Sunken brick fire pit. A sunken fire pit adds a luxurious and dramatic touch to your backyard. It creates a built-in seating arrangement around the pit, making it perfect for entertaining guests. Choose dark gray or black bricks to enhance the premium look. Brick fire pit with built-in seatings. Why stop at just a fire pit? Add a semicircle or L-shaped brick seating around it for extra comfort. Use contrasting brick tones like darkened bricks for the fire pit and light tan bricks for the seating area to create an elegant contrast. Number 5. Multi-level fire pit. For a luxurious backyard, try a multi-level fire pit with different heights. These designs allow you to have separate sections for grilling, warming, and even cooking. Pair terracotta bricks with natural tones to create a rustic countryside vibe. Number 6. Fire pit with cooking grill. If you have barbecue nights, a brick fire pit with a built-in grill is a perfect choice. Use heat-resistant clay bricks and add a metal grate on top to turn your fire pit into a mini outdoor kitchen. Trending colors and schemes for brick fire pit. Here are the latest trends in fire pit colors and themes. Earthy and rustic tones. Colors: deep red, terracotta, burnt orange and brown. Theme: perfect for creating a traditional and cozy look. Number 2. Modern and minimalistic. Charcoal gray, black, off-white and beige. Idea for contemporary and high-end outdoor spaces. Number 3. Vintage brick wall. A mix of aged red bricks with dark gray mortar for a weathered antique feel, best for creating a historic or countryside vibe. Number 4. Bohemian fire pit style. White bricks with colorful tile accents. If you have a relaxed and artistic style, this theme is for you. But what are the benefits of having a brick fire pit? A fire pit makes your backyard more inviting and functional. Enjoy warmth during winter and cozy gathering in summer. A well-designed fire pit adds aesthetic appeal and resale value. Bricks are a sustainable material and don't emit harmful chemicals. In the end, a brick fire pit is more than just an outdoor feature. It's place to create memories, host gatherings and relax. Whether you choose a rustic, modern or vintage design, the right fire pit can transform your backyard into a cozy retreat. Which brick fire pit design do you love the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing home improvement ideas. Thank you.